In this video I will be demonstrating a PowerShell script that was requested by one of my viewers. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And here you can see the request that I received in my Discord. And there is a lot of text in here, but this person is trying to set a wallpaper for Windows 11 computer. And the most complicated part in this request is that he wants to set the wallpaper for all the users on the computer. Now for this video I made the snippet that you see here that will configure the wallpaper for all users on the computer. But one thing to note is that after executing this PowerShell snippet, the users will not be able to change the wallpaper. But for this request, I think that this solution is the best. If you want different options, you can check out my other video that I will be releasing on the same day as this one that covers more options. Anyways, the snippet that I will be demonstrating today will create two registry entries in Windows registry. One of them will enable the feature that will allow us to configure the wallpaper. And then the second registry entry basically is for us to provide the location where we have our wallpaper. In this case, I will have my wallpaper in C drive, and then we need to provide the file name, so it's wallpaper.png. And then the last part of the snippet is for creating the registry entries that we see here. And I will be demonstrating this snippet in VMware Workstation, where I have this Windows 11 virtual machine. As you can see in the snippet, here we are providing the wallpaper location, and it's C and then wallpaper.png. But as you can see, currently I don't have a wallpaper in this location. So I will be downloading a wallpaper from the GitHub page. Basically, this will be a solid black color. To download this wallpaper, I will click on the button right here, and then I will go to my downloads folder. Then I will copy the wallpaper from my downloads folder, insert it into my virtual machine, and then I will move it from the desktop to the C drive. And now that I have the wallpaper in the location where I'm providing in the PowerShell snippet, I can execute the snippet and show you how it works. So for that I will click on the button right here to copy the snippet, go back to the virtual machine, and then I will open a PowerShell window. I will run it as administrator, insert the snippet from the GitHub page. As you can see, the snippet executed successfully. But the wallpaper didn't change for me because for the settings to apply, we need to sign out and sign back into the user account. So in the PowerShell window, I will just type log off. This will sign out the user, and I will just sign back in. And as you can see, now the user account has the black wallpaper. Also, like I mentioned before, the user is not able to change the wallpaper. So if I go to the Windows location where the default wallpapers are located and try to set one up, you can see that the wallpaper didn't change because these registry entries that are created will be located in the local machine hive, and the users are unable to change them. Also, to demonstrate you that the wallpaper changed for all the user accounts, I will go back to the virtual machine and open a CMD window, because I will be creating another user account and we will see what wallpaper he will have. So to create a new user account, I will be using command netuser. Then we need to provide the username for the user. So I will be creating Bob, and then let's add. Press enter. As you can see, the command executed successfully. So now I will sign out from my admin user and sign in to the freshly created Bob's account. And as you can see, Bob's account also has the black wallpaper. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.